Hi guys, today I'm going to make minty chicken fusilli. To make this I'm going to need these ingredients which I have listed in the description below as well. To start with I'm going to boil my pasta. I've taken 3 cups of fusilli pasta. You can just cook according to the instructions given on the packet. I generally do not cook it al dente because I don't like it, I like it fully cooked. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to this and some oil so that it doesn't stick together. The pasta is ready. Now I'm going to move on to making the sauce. To make the sauce I'm going to take roughly 2 tablespoons of oil. My apologies for the shaky camera. To the cold oil, I'm going to add 8 to 10 smashed garlic cloves. I like to add it to cold oil so that it can infuse flavor into oil. For the same reason, I like to keep the skin on. I'm going to fry garlic well. To this I'm going to add 1 whole brown onion chopped. For pastas generally I use brown onion. I feel it gives a more milder taste to it. I'm going to fry the onion well. Once my onion is fried, I'm going to add about 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs to it and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. I like to use thighs because I feel it's more juicier. Sometimes breast pieces, if you overcook it, totally dries out. I'm going to close the lid and let it cook. Now I can see that the chicken is well cooked. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of cream. Mix it all well together. Now I'm going to close the lid and bring this sauce to a boil. The sauce is boiling well. It looks quite watery, but once you add pasta and it cooks a bit more in that, it will thicken up. Now I'm going to add my pasta. Mix it all well together to coat all pasta in sauce. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of roughly chopped mint. I generally roughly chop it because it's all going to wilt anyways. And I use good quantity of it because it gives very good flavor to this simple recipe. Once I'm done mixing it all together, I'm going to close the lid and let the sauce thicken and mint leaves wilt a bit. As you can see, the sauce has thickened a bit, the leaves have wilted, and the pasta is ready. I haven't added any cheese to this recipe because I like to garnish it with generous amount of Parmesan cheese. I add the cheese just before serving. If you enjoyed my recipe, then please like this video, comment on it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.